Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. On our previous video, we discussed about how to create a multiple pages. Under the multiple page, create a sub page and then change the date and the change the date and time or delete it. The ribbon area, modify some ribbon area here and style and cleaning all the format. And the creator create multiple containers within a page. Those things we discussed in our last video. In this video, we are going to discuss about where this how to delete this file. I mean this deleted files, where it will get stored, and if you want to get it back, we can get it back after deleting from the OneNote. So we want recycle bin. OneNote has its own recycle bin from where we can just restore the file. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's say deleted page. I'm going to add one more page and I'm going to rename it. Deleted page 2. That's what I'm going to give a name. Now I'm going to delete these two pages. So let's say I'm going to delete this page 1 and delete this page 2. I'm going to delete this section as well. Yes, this will give us a warning. Click yes. So all these things are deleted, right? So now if you want those deleted section and the page back, you can simply go to this history, and under this history just you see this notebook recycle bin. So you just click on a notebook recycle bin. What will happen is it will show you all the deleted. You see, these pages were deleted, and these are the sub pages which were deleted in our previous video. And this is the deleted section. See the gray mark, all the deleted nodes. This were deleted Jan and section 1 yesterday. So this is how you can see. And now if you want to restore it, right, so just select it. You can do a drag and drop, or you can just right click and move. You can just move it directly to, let's say, deleted section, right? You can keep it here, or you can put it in this section, this other pages, right? So move, and this one also move, and this one deleted section, right? So now this was deleted section. So if I right click, and this one also we can move it, move to here. Okay, so now just click on here. Now we are going back. So if you see here, right, in this section we see deleted pages here visible, right? And deleted page 2 is also visible. So this all both of this came back along with this section. So this is how you can restore it, all the deleted pages and section from OneNote Recycle bin. And there is one more thing I want to show you is, uh, let's say this page, right? Day one, I did a multiple modification on this page. Yesterday, I mean, in the previous video, we did modification, and today also I did the multiple modification. So if I want to see all the history, all the modification history of this page, what you can do is, within a history, you can check the page version. Once you click on it, it will show you how many times you modified it. So with the date wise. So this was like on the 2nd of Jan once. This was on the 3rd of Jan. So we modified it twice. Here there was no name. Here it was name. So you can restore both. If you are not sure which one to restore, you can restore both. Or if you want to restore any specific, you can restore it. So once you click here, it will show you. This is an older version of this page that will be deleted over the time. Check, click here to restore this page to the main page. Now if you click here, it will show you restore version, or simply copy page. So if you click on copy this page to, it will show you where do you want to copy. Let's say I'll make it here in Jan. Copy. So this is when we copied the third one. Now here, you see this is the dark now. Now this is the lighter. I'll just click, do the same thing here. Copy and Jan. Done. Now let's say HD page version in the Jan. The day one here, there are two pages with the day one. This one, the one which we just restored. And again, if we go to history, page one, is there any history? Yeah, this one, right? So we can just drag and drop. I believe we can just drag and drop as well. If not, just right click, restore version. So if I just restore version, what will happen is that, just a second, I'll just restore all of this one by one. Yeah, okay. So now on this page, I'm just going to click page versions. So this is the, by mistake we deleted the main one. We restored the empty page. So be careful. So now I'm going to restore this one. So now if I remove it, I have this empty one. The the original one got removed. By mistake I restored the empty one. So now I'm going to click on page version. So this here is the original one, the content which I copied from newspaper. So I will just right click, copy this page to Jan content. Copy it. See, it came here, and if I remove it, I'll be able to see that here. See, there's two with the day one. So this is what the page version is, and the history, the recycle bin. This is from here you can restore the file, and from the page version you can restore the pages you want to see. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. If this is helpful, please like this video and subscribe. It's a small thing for you, but it will help me a lot. Thank you.